This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Gage Dopel. Are you looking for one-level living with a maintenance-free exterior? Here it is. This well-maintained brick rancher is located in an established golf course community. The inviting covered front porch is positioned perfectly to soak in the beautiful mountain views. As you step inside, you will be welcomed by gorgeous hardwood flooring and an abundance of natural light. The kitchen offers beautiful oak cabinets as well as its very own island. The home has many updates, including all new paint along with a brand new HVAC. Outside offers a great place to entertain with its level lot along with a patio and above-ground pool. The two-car garage and outdoor shed is sure to provide ample storage space. Just minutes from Norris Lake, ATV trails, and I-75. This won't last long, so call today. For more information, review the details below or contact Gage Dopel at 865-687-1111.